Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Corey. Today I am going to be taking you on a decluttering journey with me through both of my bathrooms in my home. If you are in a rut at home and you want to clean out your bathrooms because they're full of clutter like mine was, then please stick with me and watch as I use the Kon Mari method to go through everything that I own in my bathrooms. And I was really ruthless. I got rid of so much stuff, and I thought before I didn't have that much stuff, and now I'm really down to what I actually use and things that are going to spark joy for me, as they say with the Kon Mari method, as well as things that I forgot I had and now I can use because they were hidden somewhere in a cabinet. It really was motivating watching all of the other YouTubers that have been doing their spring cleaning and Kon Mari method cleaning and decluttering and things like that. So I just wanted to get on top of it and finally clean these two bathrooms out so that my life was just a little less hectic, and it turned out really well. I'm going to take these that I got from the dollar store and put them inside here and then start organizing it all. Much better. I have the big ponytails here, headbands here, bows here, and then I have my little rubber bands and my bobby pins here, and then everything we're getting rid of is on the counter there, and we're going to move on to the bath toys.
I want to do that one. Yeah. Nana, help me. Can I keep this one? Yeah, pretty much they're really okay, Nana. I want to get rid of this one. Yeah, we don't want that. We keep it. Yeah, we don't keep it. Let's keep this guy. Yeah. Let's keep this guy. Okay, let's keep this guy too. Of course.
These are dollar store fake nails that I get, and they're super cute, and you just glue them on and they look amazing for $1. And then I randomly found these earlier today and pulled them out because I wanted to use some of them. I literally did nothing to prep this room. My vanity, this is all my hair stuff, which needs to be organized. And then this is all one big cabinet inside there, and it's so dark right now. Let me see if I open all of them, if it'll get brighter in there. There you go. So this is all the random stuff that we have under our sink cabinet. And then in here, this is all my makeup, which needs to be organized. And then this is like razors, a random face mask. I don't know, just random stuff. And that one is like my bathroom junk drawer. And here, this is where we keep our baby wipes and extra toilet paper. So in here, I'm going to just do a gut and organize, I guess I would call it. But I'm gonna remove everything out and separate it. These are the things that I got rid of from my other bathroom, and then I'm gonna do the same thing, which is to put things I want to go through in big baskets like these and go through them all at once from both bathrooms. I'm gonna take all of these hair ties and put them on this hoop right here, which is an amazing organizing tool that I have. I love this, it's just that sometimes I'm too lazy to use it. So I'm gonna take every hair tie I have and fix that. I narrowed it down to these items. My brushes and combs, headbands, hair ties and sock bun, and then clips and bobby pins. I don't think I'm gonna get rid of much here, but I am gonna organize it better. All of these items need to go into the other bathroom, and then this is everything I got rid of. It's quite a bit of stuff considering I only have 2 bathrooms and I didn't have much in there. I ended up having all of these organization baskets left over, so I can use those somewhere else in my house. Alright, so now under my sink, over here we have all of my hair products and my like curling iron, blow dryer, straightener. Down there is hair dye products. Up here is my like toothbrushes and all the dental hygiene things. This is all my soaps, lotions, wax, deodorants, just extra things. And here is all my nail supplies, nail polish, my fake nails, nail files. This is the charger that goes to my exfoliating brush, and underneath that is our travel bag. Extra Q-tips. Over there in the corner is like a steam hair curler that I can't use yet because my hair is not long enough. And then feminine products, and my towels are right here. So what do you think? I am finished finally with these bathrooms. I decluttered them, I cleaned them, although I didn't show that in the video. I did clean them, and I am thinking of doing clean with me videos in the future. I'm just getting used to camera placement, angles, and things like that in my home because I have kind of a funky house. It's old and has weird shaped rooms and lighting is funky, so I'm just getting used to that right now. If you want to follow me on Instagram and see some other things that I'm working on and stay updated with me about things that I'm not sharing on YouTube, then you can find me at desert.diy. And if you like this video, if you want to see more like this, if you like DIY videos, if you like to do projects, if you like to save money and make your house look beautiful with thrifted items, then please hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time. Thank you so much again for watching this video, and I will see you soon. Bye!